Mason Fabiana Cruz and his crew built a lot of Belgian-Block aprons in southern Connecticut. They start with a 6-inch reinforced concrete slab. On top of that, the block is set in a mortar bed of 1 part Portland cement to 2.5 parts sand, with just enough water to activate the cement. They adjust the thickness of the mortar as necessary so the rough-cut granite blocks are in plane with their neighbors. They hammer the blocks down into the mortar, then remove them, dip them in cement slurry, and set them back in place. The slurry acts as a bond bridge between the block and the mortar. A similar layer binds the mortar bed to the concrete slab. Once the block is in, they grout the joints with a mixture of 1 part cement to 2 parts sand and fill them from the bottom up. They tool the joints a hair below the top of the block once the grout is set up a bit. A little later, they come back and flick off the excess and blow it away with a leaf blower so it doesn't smear over the granite faces. To see the rest of the process and find out more, check out Add a Belgian-Block Driveway Apron in Fine Homebuilding issue 282.